Hi. First of all, I'm trying so hard not to cry. Not to cry. Kasi sayang ang makeup. Minsan lang to. So 2026 is the year I get to marry you. The year to be your wife and get your last name and one of our dream come true. Standing here, I can't help myself but to smile. Because every prayer about this day is finally happening. Who would have thought that the guy who called me baby back then is the same man who will give me babies of our own one day? They say love is a journey, and I'm so glad I found my compass in you. A little backstory reflecting on how we met back in 2012 feels truly magical. We were complete stranger back then. I remember you standing outside your classroom, beeping the window railings like a cute chubby tarsier. Meanwhile, I was standing at your classroom door because we had just finished our lunch inside. Our eyes met. And even though we didn't know each other, the moment our eyes locked, time seems to move in slow motion. So horrible. Little did I know that it would be the beginning of us. Now, I am so happy to be creating a lifetime of memories with you and even eventually our future children. You are my best friend, my greatest blessing. Wait lang. And now, love na iyak. I can call you my home. Hello, iyak. With you, I found a love that is patient, kind, and endlessly forgiving. All my restless nights significantly lessen when you are around. Thank you for making me your priority. To all the hatid sundo, join me in satisfying all my cravings and all the little gestures to make me feel special. In you, I have found the love I didn't know I was looking for. I vowed to grow with you, to learn with you, and build a life that is even more beautiful than the one I imagined. As you mentioned in a post you shared, which had lyric to the song, minsan gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo kapag pagod na ako. Paano magsusumbong sa'yo, pati ako inaaway mo. But now, I promise to walk by your side, to lean on you when I'm weak, and to be your strength when you are weary. I give my hand, my heart, and my love to you until we grow old and our hair turns to gray. I will honor you the person you are today and support the person you're growing to become. And most of all, I promise to try and love you even on the days that I don't like you. I will love you fiercely and unconditionally, not just on our best days, but on our hardest one as well. From this day forward, you are my everything and I'm yours. I promise to keep God at the center of your story, honoring and worshiping Him through everything we do. Now and for a lifetime. I love you, my son, to the moon and back.
To my moon, my wife. Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako kay God. Yung dati na hinihiling ko lang na sa kanya noon, ngayon ay natupad na. Ang may kasal sa taong pinakamamahal ko. Hindi lang pangarap ko ang natupad, kundi ang pangarap nating dalawa. Thank you, Lord. 13 years ago, nung nagkita tayo, third year high school. Same lang tayo ng ganito. Third year high school tayo noon. Nakita kita, nakatingin sa akin. Nung nagkatinginan tayo noon, at doon tayo unang nagkita. Feeling ko, kaya ako kumakain lagi sa classroom namin para makita mo ako.
Feeling siya.
O feeling ko lang yun.
Feeling ko lang yun.
Aray ko. Nung malaman ko yung name mo sa Facebook, nung malaman ko yung name mo, nanap kita sa Facebook. Doon tayo unang nag-usap, nagka-text, or nagka-chat. Nung time na yon, at hanggang sa maging magkaibigan tayo, fast forward nung 2 years ago, 2 years, first year college tayo nun. Nagsimula akong manligaw sa iyo. Halos araw-araw ko pinagpe-pray kay Lord na sana maging tayo. Ikaw na yung makasama ko habang buhay. At binigay niya sa akin yun. At nag-promise ako sa sarili ko na ikaw yung iharap ko sa kanya. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit gusto ko na dito tayo isal sa simbahan. Ang bait sa akin, Lord. Yung mga pangarap ko lang noon, ngayon ay natupad mo. Thank you din sa iyo. Dahil nung magkakasakit ako, palagi kang nandyan sa tabi ko para alagaan ako. At sa dami ng pinagdadaan natin sa buhay, nandito pa rin tayo. Hindi mo ako sinukuhan at hindi rin kita susukuhan. Kahit palagi mo akong inaaway, ikaw pa rin ang gusto kong makasama habang buhay. At sa sobrang lakas ng toyo mo, ako pa din ang kakampi mo kahit awayin mo pa ako. Pangako ko sa iyo na ako yung magiging best husband sa lahat. Palagi kitang ingatan, aalagaan, poprotektahan, at pagsisilbihan. At hindi ako mapapagod at magsasawa na intindihin ka. At mamahalin kita araw-araw. Gagawin ko lahat ng aking makakaya para sa ating magiging pamilya. Pangako sa'yo, mahal na mahal kita.
Hawa ko, yawa mo.